Hi, brother. Good morning.
Very good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, bro.
Okay, you're fine. That's great. You look like fresh man.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
yeah. So tell me, brother.
yeah. My name is Durga Prasad, and I'm from India, which town Punjab, and I am currently work as a Malaysia,
Mhm.
and Malaysia, and which company, and Sony company.
Okay, that's great. Hmm.
Yeah, and I am learning to now. I am learning English, but I
Okay.
am little I am uh, learn English. I'm not much. I know English.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, no
That's
problem.
it.
No problem, brother. By the way, you are working great. You are. So right now, where are you? In Malaysia and India.
Yeah, I'm right now Malaysia.
Malaysia. So are you working there right now?
Nah, yeah, I'm leaving today. I am rest because I'm yesterday so tired working.
Okay. Today you took I mean holiday, we can say, week off.
Yeah, yeah, holiday.
That's correct. So, brother, tell me about your education. What did you done? Did you done your graduation, 10, 12?
Not bro, not much. I am education. I am only 10 class pass.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, bro.
So, when did you go in Malaysia? Which year?
Yeah, I am only come here 7. I have been only for 7 months.
Okay, 7 months ago you went over there and you are working still. Okay, that's great. So, brother, could you tell me what is the reason why you are learning an English language and why important for your life, about English language? What is the reason? Please tell me.
Yeah, yeah. I'm learned English because I am so English language so very important these days. So this is I am learning, and why I am learning to English because so big reason. So I am after tell you, but first of all I am learn to English.
Okay. So you're doing great, brother. So, how can you improve yourself? What do you do about your English language?
Because I am trying to learn to English fluently English, but I'm watch to English movie, watch to English cartoon, and watch to English serial. So this is I am learn, and you suggestion me how can improve early to early my English fluently speak. I fluently speak English.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. I will tell you how to improve, how to learn a basic English language and convert to fluent and intermediate like that. Definitely, I will tell you everything. But first thing, brother, if it's very important, why English is important, we have to find the answer. Whenever we get an answer, then we have to make a habit. We have to passion about English language anytime, anywhere. For example, right now I'm learning an English language. Why? Because of I'm preparing my interview. I'm making I want to make a good career. So that's the
Yeah,
reason
yeah.
I'm learning an English language. So if you think about same thing, I want to also make a career in good life. I want to enjoy a good life in future time. I want to work with a international company and big organization, multinational company like that. So it's English is very important everywhere. First thing, okay.
Yeah, absolutely
You can,
right.
you can start about yourself, about you can start, you can go with reading part. And second thing, if you feel too bored, then you can talk with yourself. Most of thing, every time just talk to yourself. And if you have any partner environment, then just use it. Means what? Like for example, you have a partner, one partner, so every day try to with him talking conversation, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Just
Okay.
try. Okay. And otherwise, if you don't have any partner and atmosphere is not good, then you can learn yourself. You have a cell phone, am I right? Then
Yeah,
you can record your cell phone, you can record your like self about English language, and you can find a partner on WhatsApp group. Just join the WhatsApp group, English speaking group, okay? And
Yeah.
sometime maybe you are using a social media, so over there just follow some people about English language, learn a vocabulary, idiom, phrases, okay? And always, brother, practice. It's very important. Whenever we take a input, automatically we produce a output. So it's
Yeah.
very important practice, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
And don't think about like if I do mistake then people will judge me. No, don't think about.
Yeah.
Whenever,
Yeah.
yeah, whenever you do mistake, it's okay, definitely. After some time you will work your mistake, okay? This is
Yeah.
very thing, brother. Then do it mistake, okay? And learn about more and more. That's very important. And
Yeah.
second, don't feel too hesitation and fearness.
Yeah.
It's very,
Agitation. So very, very
yeah,
big reason. Yeah.
yes. See what happened, like even I'm also beginner, I'm not speaking very well, but I'm trying myself with stranger people. I love to communication, I made a habit and passion about, okay? And I have a confidence is very important, brother. Any kind
Yeah.
of language, not especially English, any kind of language, it's very important, confidence. Without confidence, brother, we can't speak, we can't make a good conversation.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
in lots of people like they don't have a, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hear me.
Yeah. So I'm talking about many people, like they have a lack of problem, vocabulary problem. They don't have a sense for, like grammar part and how to they speak. They're not speaking very well, but they have a good confidence. Good confidence means like high-fi confidence. They can't, think about like if I do mistake, then people will kill me, people will judge me, people will mock with me. They didn't care about this thing. Always they try to speak
Yeah.
means what? It's just a language. We are just convinced out front of people, we are just speaking, we are trying to present our idea, our story. So this is, I think so, it's not big issue for English language. If we practice, if we give a like 1 hour 2 hours a time, then definitely within a short period we will improve ourselves, we will improve English language.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
without partner, without environment. But we have to change our mind. We have to think about English always, anytime, anywhere. If
Yes.
you,
Yes.
then definitely within a short period means like 1 and 2 and 3 months, maximum 3 and 4 months. Depend on your learning, brother. How to
Yeah.
learn a English language, how to practice, how to give in a time, how to spend an environment and atmosphere about English language. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you,
Yeah.
if you, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, brother, you give me suggestion, so I am thankfully. So, this main reason, a lot of people not trying to speak English, so hesitation, so very big issue. So this is,
Yeah. See, bro, what happened? English is very sweet language, sweet and simple language. For example, we are beginner, okay, and we try to improvement with stranger people. But that moment after conversation, if we feel too stuck, okay, then immediately we think about like how I'm speaking. I can't do that because my English is not very well. I'm speaking weird and I don't have a pronunciation proper sense like that. Already we judge ourselves, already we decided English stuff for me. We
yeah,
don't understand like English just a language. Means what? If we practice more and more, see, brother, no anyone perfect to English language, everyone learning in the world, okay?
yeah, yeah,
Born to English language, everyone learning. So this is great thing, like you can create atmosphere, you can make a something about English language. Means what? Like just find a partner, and it's very important to talk with in front of people. It's very important. But how much time, I don't know, like if you spend a lots of time about English language, definitely you will enjoy yourself about English. We can say this is like if you make a habit, definitely you will feel to like something about English. Like if you're not speaking, if you not try to English, then feel to like weird and say talk about like what I'm doing and I want to talk with again. Always you think about English language, definitely you will enjoy your life about English. So it's very
Yeah.
important. Always try to talk with front of people. Always think about, and if you see what happen, if you confuse any kind of like about English language, then try to make a simple conversation. Just choose a topic like about job, about career, about like something professional job like that. Just choose a simple topic and try to speak a simple sentence, simple story. Don't be make a like complicated. If you do start this way, definitely you will improve lots of things. And even I made a 4 to 5 video about English language, how to practice, how to create a. And yesterday I uploaded one of my video, okay, and those video I mention it like how to improve English language for mobile application. I mentioned
Okay.
it two application, one of like Hello app and second one like Open Talk. This is fantastic application, brother. Without partner, we can use this application and we will make a conversation, video calling, audio calling, whatever you interested, whatever you prefer to. Definitely, you will build your confidence. It's very important on that platform about
Okay.
English. Yeah.
Main reason you every time learn to English. You every time speak to English.
Yes. Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
And if you confuse anything about any kind of, then go to YouTube channel, search out like a good speech, listen to podcast, and search about like biography and drama, family conversation. Definitely you will getting a knowledge, you will like something about vocabulary, how to they pronounce a sentence word. Definitely you will learn more and more. But we have to convent a English language first. We have to change our mind, then we
Yeah.
will learn. Otherwise, if you think about I want to learn an English language, but I'm not doing nothing, like I'm just sitting and I'm thinking how can I speak, how do I improve, how do I improve,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
It's not working. People are
Yeah.
commenting, people are thinking about like I'm struggling my English language, but still now they are not speaking. Why? Because this reason they never practice with a stranger, with a self.
Yeah,
Why
bro.
I'm
Yeah.
telling you talk to with yourself? Because this is starting point. if
Yeah.
you if you speak directly with stranger people, then definitely you will feel too shy, low confidence, fearness. Then it's a very good way to start talking with a self. Always
Yeah.
just
That.
talk self like I'm going to outside, I'm going to India, I'm going to Malaysia. Just talk to yourself, elaborate yourself, and
Yeah.
at least practice 1 and 2 months a self. Then after that, like if you think about I'm okay, I'm comfortable to talk with in front of people, then go, then
Yeah. You
start
are
a
right.
conversation. Definitely you will forget your fearness, your confidence. I mean, bad confidence. You will build a good confidence, like without hesitation. So it's very important.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you give me a suggestion. I'm learn every time English and every time do speak English. So I am so thankfully.
Yeah. And brother, see, like reading also very important. Okay, so if you free, then you start to reading means like you can destroy your fearness, you can build your confidence, and you will learn a grammar and we can say vocabulary. Because reading always prefer to like habit and our building a pronunciation. It's very important. You can start a comic book, children book, and you can listen a audio book. Audio. Listen to
Yeah,
more and
yeah,
it's gonna help for English language. Just listen always whenever you're free. Listen more and speak more. If you
oh,
do things, definitely your English will be perfect. Even I'm also doing every day. Okay,
yeah,
every day I watch a movie. Every day I listen a podcast, and every day I read a little bit, books, story like that. And
yes,
always I practice with stranger people. I love to communication. Before I told you, I love to communication seriously. Like always, I talk about general conversation like how's going your life and how are you and what's your family background. and what about your career, job, anything. Because I want to ask you more and more question, because already I made a interest and passion about. So if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
make, definitely automatically you can ask in front of people any question, anytime, anywhere, everything, because you are interest or English language.
Yeah, I like it because you speak so clearly and so so what you clearly speak. So I like it because I'm watch your video, so I love it.
Okay, no
So
problem, brother. So even I'm also beginner. Sometime I do mistake, but I'm not thinking about my mistake. I'm just keep going and practice more and more. Definitely one day I will work my like
yeah,
mistake. Okay, so it's very important to practice, brother. Practice.
yeah,
And I think so. I'm talking about everything. I think you are understanding my voice.
yeah.
Like,
I'm understanding.
that's
Yeah,
why.
because yeah,
Okay.
because you words so clearly speak. I am understand. So
Okay. Okay,
yeah.
brother. So I think so. We have to stop here because Okay.
Okay.
So bye bye. Thank you very much
Okay.
for conversing with me
Yeah.
and
Nice to
connecting.
meet you. Nice to meet you.
And all the
And
best for your future plan, your work, and you to practice more, brother. Don't forget. Okay.
okay, bro. Thank you. You give me suggestion, so I'm very thankfully.
Bye bye. See you soon.
Okay. Bye bye.
Have a
See you
nice
soon. Same here.